Beauties, it's me, Allegra. Babes, I thought I would put together a sweatproof makeup tutorial today, and I compiled all of my sweatproof makeup, my favorite sweatproof makeup, and also some new really great waterproof makeup 2021. So these makeup items will hopefully be perfect for you dolls for the summer, and also if you live in a hot climate, then hopefully these are really going to be super helpful for you. Also, if you have oily skin, these will be helpful year round. And before we dive into today's video, if it's your first time here, I hope you'll subscribe and also give me a thumbs up if you like today's video and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this sweat-proof makeup tutorial.
The first product I'm going to start with today is this L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. It is waterproof and makes fuller looking brows too.
And I'm going to just take a angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to take the product right off of the applicator with the brush and kind of like distribute it really well on the brush so it has a very smooth layer of product. And let's see here, that looks pretty good. Now this product builds up your brows. It is waterproof and will last up to 48 hours. I'm just going to go ahead and just start from the bottom and just start sketching upwards. So in the front, I'm going to just turn my brush and flick upwards. Then you can just go ahead and take this spoolie and just distribute very gently the product through your brows. Now this product is a drugstore product, but it is pretty pricey. It runs for about $16.99 at the drugstore. So this is one of those items where if you have those CVS coupons or those Walgreens beauty bucks, that'll really come in handy because this is a pricey product. So for a sweat-proof makeup primer, I love to use the Too Faced Primed and Poreless product. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and apply it to my T-zone where I'm most oily. So absolutely love that. I already feel it kind of absorbing the oil, and I love that because I do have really oily skin. So beauties, now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox. This is a Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Waterproof Foundation. So this is an absolutely amazing product when you want to be totally shine-free, sweat-proof. If you live in the hot climate, this might be a godsend for you. So I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to take my brush and swirl it in to break the product up. And now I'm just going to stipple it onto my skin. It dries down really fast, so you could definitely move into another layer really quickly if you feel like you want even more coverage. So now beauties, I'm going to move into the Smashbox 24-Hour Concealer, and this is also waterproof, sweat-proof, 24-hour coverage, oil-free. And so I'm just going to apply this under my eyes to kind of highlight and brighten. And I'm just going to take some Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer just to contour. And I'm just going to set this now with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And as a part of the Prince collection, Urban Decay came out with a waterproof setting powder. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to further set my face. And then I'm just going to set the contours with a little bit of bronzer. And I'm just going to take it right over into my upper crease area because it just makes such a gorgeous eyeshadow. And then I have this Cargo blush here. This blush is so amazing, you guys. This is a waterproof blush. This is actually the blush that they use on Dancing with the Stars because it is that sweat-proof, so the dancers can dance and sweat, and this will not come off. So I'm just going to swirl right into it and tap off the excess. And I'm just going to apply it pretty high up, tapping it on. So beauties, I'm going to give myself a quick spritz of my Allegra Cherry Beauty Mist. This is for super long lasting makeup, and it also does give a dewiness to the skin. So I'm going to spray this right now so that all the powders on the foundation can kind of melt and marry together. So while that's soaking in, I'm going to get back to my eyes. I have this Julep. This is a cream to powder eyeshadow stick that is waterproof and sweat-proof. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply this all over my lid space and smudge it under my eyes. So then I'm just going to buff this product out with a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to pop on a little bit of shimmer. So I'm going to take this Morphe Madison Beer eyeshadow palette and just pop a little bit of this shimmer in the tear duct area. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild. This is a waterproof eyeliner. So this is a gel eyeliner. So it's a waterproof gel eyeliner. And I'm just going to use this to tightline my eyes. So now, beauties, I'm going to take the Eyeshadow London. This is the Beach Mascara. It's a waterproof mascara that is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lashes. So finally, beauties, I'm going to take this Sorbet lip pencil. This is a waterproof lip pencil. It is so good. It truly lasts for the longest time. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of this Tom Ford lip gloss. This lip gloss lasts so long, you guys. I'm not even joking. So it is a bit pricey, but it's kind of worth every penny because it lasts and lasts. I've never seen a lip gloss last this long before. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this right over the lip liner. So beauties, this is the finished look. I had so much fun compiling all of my favorite Sweatproof makeup and waterproof makeup 2021 today and showing you kind of a summer makeup tutorial, or this would be great if you live in a really hot climate all year round. Some of these items might be really helpful to you. So I do hope so. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these, if you love them, if any of these work out for you. Definitely let me know down below. So that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I have so many giveaways going on and lots more videos, so I do hope you'll subscribe and join the fam. Also give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So I love you, beauties, so much. I hope you're all doing good. And let me know any of your Sweatproof makeup favorites that if I didn't show them today, let me know them so I could try them out for a future video and recommend them to you, beauties. So definitely, so we could let everybody know about how good they are. So everybody can be sweat-proof, shine-proof, oily skin, no more slipping and sliding, no more makeup. So anyway, guys, I love you, beauties, so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you, beauties, soon. Bye, love you.